Hello, today I will be describing my Word project test 1. So first, text basic, working with text. Add, delete, move, cut and paste text. Alright, so adding text is pretty easy. You can add text boxes like here, or you can write in the normal margins. To delete text, you can select it all, cut, to remove it, or you can just press backspace, which is a lot simpler. Paste. So copy is Control P, Control C, and paste is Control V. Not too complicated. So change font. To change the font of something you've already written, you must select it. And in the home page, you're gonna have right here fonts. You can choose the font that you want. You can also write it. Change font size. Select here. Select the font that you want, or you can also write it. Change text alignment. Up here, you have to select what you want to align. Find and replace feature. Alright, so let's say that I want to replace all the dogs in my text, well, in my assignment. I have to hold Control H, and that'll open find and replace. So basically, I can change all the word dog, replace with cat. And click replace all here, and we're find next, but we're not going to do that. Tab selector plus horizontal ruler. Alright. So horizontal ruler, first of all, you have to go in view. You gotta click ruler. This will allow you to align your text how you want. Such as this. And you can also press tab, but that's just to do small indent. You can also click indent here. You have left indent, which not too complex. Alright, pictures and text warping. So let's have a picture here. Alright, you can move this freely, but it warps text at the same time. To do this, you gotta go warp text. See, inline with text, don't want that. Okay, what I do is I go in here and I put it into a position on the page and then I move it. Formatting pictures. Alright, so if you want to format a picture, you can do this. But if you want to compress it, go here, picture format, compress pictures. But we're not going to do it right now. Shapes. If you want to add a shape, click on Insert, Shapes. I'll pull up the menu of all the shapes that you can choose from. So if I want an oval or a circle, I click on oval. I have a shape right here. I can change the width. And text boxes. So text boxes are easy. Click Insert, Text Box. I usually go with simple text box and change it, but there are plenty of options. So SmartArt Graphics. To insert one, you click on SmartArt Graphic, well, SmartArt, and you have a bunch of choices. Can list, process cycles, hierarchies, relations, matrix, pyramid, picture, and office.com, whatever that means. So yeah, you click insert here. I already have one down, so we're not going to do that. And basically, you can just change whatever is in these things, and it'll automatically change the font to fit in the bubbles. So if I add text, well, not in here, but yeah, look, it'll change the font. This way you can create easy graphs and easy charts. How to apply and modify styles. Click on the review tab, design tab. You can choose colors here. I personally find this easier. Or you click on themes, which will change also the font. But and a mail merge. How to apply a mail merge? So you go to mailings tab. You would have to click start mail merge. And I click the step-by-step mail merge wizard. So here you can choose what kind of document that you want. Letters, email, envelopes, labels, directory. Select recipients. The recipients you want to select are usually going to be a Excel file, because sometimes Word files I found they don't work as well, and usually Excel files work. And then next you write your wizard. Alright, so I think they want to also make me select those. So we're just going to go. We'll just do this for now. Next, write your letter. Alright, so basically in mail merge, you're usually going to want to write your text, and you have these insert and merge fields. So you're going to insert first name, last name, whatever you want. And basically, at the end, you'll have your 10 files, and all of them are going to change depending on who it is. So for example, if I click first name here, and then I complete the merge, so I can edit individual. We're going to do 1, 2, 3 here. So basically, look, it's written Tom here. And here it's written Ilona. Now the next one is going to be written the third name, Corey. So not too complex. I'll X this out. We'll remove this. And yeah, we're basically done.